One thing that I see a lot on TV and even YouTube videos is people using quick dry drywall compound. And they never really show how to mix it properly, or the easy way or the clean way. And this is how you do it. First of all, you use a drywall pan like this, and then a 4-inch knife is a good tool to use, because it's small enough to get in the pan and mix around, but it's also not too big that you can't move it around. So first thing you do, you add your quick dry, whether it be Durabond 20, 45, or 90. This particular mixture is 90 because I'm not in any real hurry to have it dry today. However, I am filling a hole, so I want it to be a strong patch. So you put your compound in your pan, and then just put a little bit of water in. You don't put too much to start. You can mix it around like that, and then just take your knife and move it back and forth like that. Okay? Add a little more water. Take your sides, bring them down like that. Okay? Move the water around to get on top of any of the drywall compound. Pour it into your corners to get all the dry mix. Right? And then just keep mixing it around, just like so. Now this mixture is a little wet, but for what I'm doing, it's ideal. Like that. Keep mixing it around. And the more you mix it, the quicker it will dry. Because it's the mixing and time that gives you a quicker drying. You can also use water that's a little warmer. Will also help with the drying process, but generally you just want to use room temperature water. So there we go, it's all mixed up. Now let's go use it. So now we've got a patch here that we've got to fix right up in this corner, and what we're using today is mesh tape. And you always want to use quick dry compound when you're using mesh tape. This is the sticky stuff. So we just place it over top, like so. Get it into position, pat it down. And in this particular job, I'm going to use 2 layers. And what that does is when you put your compound on, it helps with the coverage. So when you put it on, it doesn't sink in as much through the tape. So we put 2 pieces, like so. Now, I like to be very clean. So you can just take your compound like that, put it on the edge, put your knife into the corner like that, or the other way. Like that, and up like so. And then just put it into where you want to put it, like that. On the edges. A little bit on the end, put it up, like that. Clean the bottom, like that. Sometimes you get a little edge like that, a little bit there, Move it in the corner. And just take your knife on the top. And voila, one patch. Now this will take about, it's 90 compound, but it'll dry in about usually 45 to 50 minutes because we mixed it up a fair bit in our pail. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure that any compound that you have left, you get it out of your pan, otherwise you're going to have a brick. There we go.